Hello, my friends. Are you confused about WordPress user roles and capabilities? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Right now, we're going to take you on a crash course in each of the 6 WordPress user roles. Are you ready to get started? Let's begin. You need to know how to correctly assign WordPress user roles and their capabilities to individual team members. Controlling who gets power over and access to the various functions of your website improves efficiency and reduces the chances of costly mistakes being made, so it's definitely worth a bit of figuring out. To help you with that, here is a list of 6 default WordPress roles and their associated capabilities, so from now on, you will know exactly what role to assign to each member of your team to maximize efficiency. In order to begin this process, you'll need to be on your dashboard of your website. From there, you will go to the left panel and you will click Users. Now that we are here on your Users panel, all you must do is go to Add New User. Once you have clicked this, you will be able to create your own users with usernames, emails, first and last names, and possibly a website you'd like to link them to. And from here, we will show you the 6 roles that you may have: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. We will begin by discussing administrator. The administrator role is the most powerful role you can have with dealing with a single website. Administrators have a full access to all of the capabilities, as well as the ability to assign roles to others. There is usually only one administrator on a site, though it is possible to have more. Administrators have the power to do pretty much everything. They can create, edit, publish, and delete content, install and manage themes and plugins, alter the website's code, and edit and delete user accounts. We will now move on to the editor. For those with large or medium-sized businesses, this role often falls to the head of content marketing. Those assigned to the role of editor will have full control over the content on your site. They will be able to create, publish, and edit and delete any pages or posts created by themselves or by anyone else. Editors can also monitor comments, amending or deleting them as they see fit. They can also manage links and categories. Editors are not able to access plugins or themes, and they cannot initiate updates or add new users. Our next role is the author, made to accommodate the needs of individual writers and content creators. The author role grants the ability for an individual to both publish and manage their own posts. Unlike the editor, however, an author does not have the power to edit or delete anyone else's work. Authors are fully responsible for any content that they create themselves. In addition to managing written content, they can upload media files, and they also do have the power to delete their own posts if they wish. Authors cannot edit pages, create new content categories, or alter other users' content in any way. They can, however, add tags to their own work. Our next role is contributor, which is very similar to author, but with fewer capabilities. Contributors have little power, which means handing out this role has very little risk. If you are trying to get a new writer, you may wish to give them this role with the option of upgrading them to author once trust has been established. It is a useful option if you have work with one-time contributors once in a while or very often. Contributors can write and add posts, but they don't have the power to publish them on their own. They cannot upload media files, which can be a problem, as it's not possible for contributors to add images to their own content. Contributors are able to view all comments, even those who have yet to be moderated. However, they do not have the ability to approve, edit, or delete comments. Our last user on the screen is a subscriber, which is at the bottom of the WordPress roles. This role comes in handy for businesses that use a subscription model, as users are allowed access to exclusive material. Subscribers have 2 possibilities. They are able to read posts, and they are able to write comments. Subscribers are permitted access to the admin area of your WordPress site, but they cannot do anything other than manage and edit their own profiles. The final user we would like to show you today is called the super admin, which is a user that is available on WordPress sites with more than one website associated with the account. Like a regular administrator, the super admin role allows an individual total and complete control over 2 or more sites. Super admins have access to all administration features and capabilities across a network of connected WordPress sites. Super admins are able to add and delete entire websites. When a super admin is in place, the regular admin's role is somewhat modified or weakened. For example, when someone is assigned to the role of super admin, the ability of regular admins to install, upload, modify themes and plugins is revoked. We hope that after following this tutorial, you are able to use successfully all 6 types of users for your WordPress site for all of your needs. If you found this video informative, please leave a like and a comment. Subscribe to this channel for more great content in the future. Thank you.